Hello guys, again welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we will see the next or second part of Eagle Point road design project. In the first project we have seen how to create a new Eagle Point project, edit systems or edit the Eagle Point system unit format precision, and we have created a new prototype. And also we have tried to add data or survey data to our window using this data transfer tool. So today we will see how to create a topographic feature or how to create surface model using this Eagle Point software. So once you have added your survey data, go to this Eagle Point window and the product. Under this there is what we call surface modeling. Here surface modeling window will appear here. So the aim here is, or what we are going to do with this surface modeling tool is creating a contour line from these points. As you see, if this point has their own elevation, so using their elevation you can create a new contour line or contour features on these points. So under this surface model, go to prepare manage surface, and then here create new surface model and name your surface model of A2T. If you remember this, when I created the name, I renamed it as road from A to T. So our my surface name will be A to T. And here maximum valid elevation for your study area. I am going to consider points with elevation of greater than 120 and the maximum of 3200. It depends on your data. So if you have a point of lower elevation, you have to consider elevation of less than 1200. Again, here take this one, maximum length of triangle side. I'm going to consider 120 meters, and the point of tolerance I'm going to consider triangles or points with a distance of 0.5 meter. Then go to contour and give intermediate and index value. I'm going to give 0.2 for the intermediate value, and index interval will be 1, and these factors are constant in order to make the contour line sharper, in order to make them smooth instead of sharp. And you can change the card setting here, by the way. You can also text rotation angle, you can modify, you can change the settings. And here also you can give rectangular grid interval. We will come for this in the next. So in this surface I have done, you can change the color of your surface. I'm going to use this green color, then apply. Okay, then after enter from your keyboard in order to save this surface. So I have created surface A to T. So before we go to the triangulation, we need to create a boundary here. So select this polyline tool and come here and draw this boundary is used to create. Consider a point within this boundary in creating a teen or a irregular network. So after creating this boundary, come back to the prepare and the predefined boundary. Again, under this, create a new predefined boundary and select this boundary. and name it as external boundary. Our surface is surface A to T, and okay, again enter from keyword. Yeah, next we'll be creating a triangular irregular network or tin on these points. To do so, come to triangulate, then surface model. Under this, select your surface, which is surface A to T, and the boundary will be the predefined boundary, which we have predefined it before. And if you have a void region, you can add a void region here, and take this one, place triangles, and you can change CAD setting of your triangle here. I have changed it before. You can also modify your surface model. You can change the minimum and the maximum elevation points of each point here. Then after you have finished your settings, come here and apply the triangulation process, and here select the object, and come here and drag and to this boundary, and click the right click, then close, and you can check your triangulation. So these triangles are created. On this triangulation, we are going to create a contour. So come here, contour, make intermediate and index interval. Our surface is surface A to T, and take this one, erase the existing contours, and you can change the color of your contour. It is already in yellow, and apply, and it is making contour on all of the points. It's already said that these match points are drawn. Yeah, the contouring process is already done. Close this window. You can change your contour line. So the index are in the yellow color, and the intermediates are in red colors. So you can modify this contour if you are not agree, or if you are not good with this one. You can change the intermediate and the index interval in order to get more detail about your topography. You may have smaller, if you use a small contour interval, you can get more detail about your surface or about your topography. So these are the contours, and if you want to annotate your contour, come here in contour and contour, annotate contour, in the by crossing method of annotation, you can change the color of your contour, and you can edit this number also, the size of the plotting size, and I'm going with 2, and the color will be in this color, and click OK, apply, and come here and draw line, and the contour crossed by this line will have contour values drawn on them. Yeah, if you zoom in, you can see this contour line is 1604, the next will be 1605. Yeah, just by looking at your contour, you can define the topography, or you can analyze what kind of topographies do this area have. Again, I'm going to draw on this line. Yeah, for example, here this is a kind of, I think, mountain, because the contour interval is okay, decreasing downward, which is it shows validating. So you can determine what kind of topography does this area have. Again, here you can come here and cross this lane. Yeah, following the similar procedure, you have to create your contour like this. You have to rename your contour. Yeah, so once you have created your contour, you can escape this one and close this. Come to here, product, and then go to drafting in order to add some features. For example, insert, you can add coordinate grid, give interval of 400 in x y direction, and gain 400 in x direction. Yeah, specify the point, or it is within this boundary. Missed it, so come here, output, surface model, product, surface model, output, erase existing feature, which is grid, apply, erase existing object, grids. I want to delete this one. Okay. Yeah, I have to create a proper grid. So insert and coordinate grid of interval 400, 800, 400, 800. So I have to take care of selection. Yeah, I need this. Yeah, this is a coordinate grid. Again, you can add some features. For example, insert north arrow, pause, scale bar, this here. Again, you can add insert north arrow is 20. Yeah, the axis. You can add different features. If you have, for example, if you have trees, buildings of the points, or if this point is tree, for example, you have to go to check and identify your trees and add features that represent each points, and from here you can add again borders, scale bars, coordinate grid, nodes around, time and the date, serial number. You can add, or you can make more meaningful information on this map. So this is all about today's lesson. In the next we will see how to add, or how to do the horizontal and vertical alignment. Thank you for your time. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share and like with your friends. Thank you.